Hey, welcome back. So this is going to be the final episode on this 2003 YZ450. Stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be doing a before and after to show you just how far this bike has come. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, there's 13 more videos to watch from when I got this bike when it was clapped out and broke to how it's going to be at the end of this episode. So I want to say thanks for tuning in, and let's get at it. New hot start lever, cable and plunger is installed and adjusted. Decided to go with a new shift leader. The original one was bent. Okay, after much pain and suffering, I've got the new Dunlop Geo Max MX34 tire on. It's pretty aggressive. New sprocket, new hardware on the brake rotor. Rims new, spokes new, bearings are new, seals are new, rim locks are new, tubes new. It's a brand new wheel, and it's ready to go back on the bike. So I guess that's the end of the series. This bike is done except for putting some oil in it. We'll wait till spring till it warms up. I'll probably do a video then, take it for a rip. So that's going to be it for now. I want to thank you for tuning in to the series. This is the first video you're watching. Go check out the other 13 so you can see just how far this bike has come. I don't know what the future of the channel holds, but stay tuned. I want to thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.